Hello and welcome again all. In today's video, I will cover new functionality in SAP in S4HANA, that is SAP Material Ledger. Before going further, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, share with your SAP friends and colleagues. Thanks. So we will see Material Ledger in S4HANA. But before that, what is Material Ledger? So material ledger is a tool or a functionality used to manage your inventory or material valuation in multiple currency and or to perform multiple inventory valuations. Actually, material ledger is a part of CO, that is FICO, but it has integration with SAP MM. So if we know like SAP and SAP FI and MM has integration in automatic account determination. Same way, FICO and MM has integration through material ledger. So if we consider SAP ECC, in that material ledger was a optional functionality, but in SAP S/4HANA now it is mandatory to activate material ledger, but it's only in terms of technically, not functionality wise. Again, material ledger provides various functionality, but I will show you the three major functionalities that material ledger provides. So first one is material valuation in various or multiple currencies. Second is material valuation in multiple valuation methods. And third one is material valuation using actual costing. Also note that it's not recommended to activate material ledger in between if you have posted documents for that particular company code. It may create some inconsistencies in system. So it's always recommended that once you create any organization structure, so for that particular company code, you activate material ledger first and then proceed with document posting for that company code. So here I have already created one organization structure and that I'm going to use. So I have created this organization structure, this company code, that is 1007, IN10 plant, this location, and this is purchase organization and this vendor. Then before going further, there are few concepts that we must know what are the different type of currencies. So I will show some currencies that we mostly use in material ledger and what are their meanings and where to find out those currencies. So we will see one by one. So transactional currency, as we know from its name, transaction currency is the currency that we use. Transaction currency, the currency in which the business transactions is proceed or booked. The business transaction can be posted in transaction currency as well as in local currency. Then next one is hard currency. So the hard currencies are used in the countries with high inflation to improve the valuation of the transactions. When a hard currency is selected, the document is automatically updated in the local currency and the hard currency. Then also note that hard currency is specific by region or countries. So that's why I have shown here like countries. Then next one is a group currency. So the group currencies are used to enable the cross company posting in controlling for the company codes that use different company code currencies. And also note that group currency is defined at client level. Then next one is indexed based currency. So indexed based currency are used for statutory reporting purpose in some countries that have an extreme amount of inflation. So again, this index based currency is also based on its country or region. And then last one is parallel currency. So for a company code, we may have one local currency and up to two parallel currency in the system. All document posted in both local and parallel currency if we have activated parallel currency functionality, and hard currency is also the one example of parallel currency. So now I will show you where to check all these currencies. So we will see one by one. First I will show you hard currency. So let's go into the system and check all about this. So first one is hard currency. So once you define company and you know for which country you have defined company, so you can check its hard currency and index based currency. So for that we will go into SPRO. After that our SAP reference IMG. In this here you see option SAP NetWeaver. If you go in this, you will see option like general settings. In general settings, first option set countries, and here define countries in my SAP system. Then select your country for which country your company is activated or created. So in my case, I'm taking example of India. So I will show you IN. If you go here, you see here hard currency that is maintained here as a euro, and index based currency is USD maintained for this. Note that never change these settings if you are consultant. Always ask your finance consultant in order to change anything here. For practice you may change it, but in real time system never play with these settings. It may create a lot of difficulties or inconsistencies, so avoid to changing it and never do it. For practice only you can do it. So now we have seen index based currency, where to check it, and hard currency you can directly go through the same screen using OY01 T code, or I have shown you the path where you can check. This is the path and this is the transaction that OY01. So you can go using transaction as well. Then next one is group currency. So we can check group currency using T code SCC4, and that is at client level. So let's see how to check hard group currency. So I will run T code SCC4. So once you go in SCC4, you will see this screen and this system showing all clients on that particular landscape. So I'm using client 400. So for 400 here, group currency is maintained as USD, or you can see here, or you can just double click here. So a system will give you more details. So here you can see this is nothing but your group currency or client currency. So that is USD. Again, never change this setting as it comes under finance. So far we have cleared over some knowledge about currencies in the SAP system. Now we will see the process flow in material ledger. So first thing, currency setting check. So this is the T code you can use to check the currency settings, that is FINSC underscore ledger, or you can go through path as well. So I will show you path and as transaction as well. So first go to SPRO, then SAP reference IMG, then financial accounting, then first financial accounting global setting. Then here you see option of ledgers, so open it, and in ledgers you see option of ledger. Again, note that under financial accounting, consultant will not change anything, but as I'm showing it for practice, so I will do some settings, but it's recommended never change that setting if in real time system. For practice you may change it. If it's a real system, ask your finance consultant who know about this. So always avoid changing anything in financial accounting or settings that I'm showing now. It's just for the purpose of knowledge. So really avoid that. Then once you go in ledger, here first option you see define settings for ledger and currency type. So execute it. So you will see more settings about ledger here. Just okay here. So once you go inside, select here ledger, 0L and click on currency type. So currency type I'm just showing to know. So here you can see different currency types. So first one is 10, that is company code currency, and it's set at global level. So that's different for each company. We never change it. Then second one is we are gonna see group currency, that is type is currency type is 30 and it's company specific. Then hard currency here, that is 40 currency type, it's again company specific. And one more is index based currency, its currency type is 50 and it's again company specific. So it's just for knowledge purpose what all currencies, so you can explore more currencies here as well. Then if you go in these settings, select currency conversion, currency conversion setting for company codes, just double click on it, then okay here. So it will show you the list of all company codes. See what all currencies are here available for your company code. In my case, my company code is 1007 and this is not listed here. So what I will do, I will see group currency and hard currency and I will copy that settings for my company code. So I'm just copying from group currency and hard currency and I will change my company code. So select group currency and hard currency setting, or you can do directly new entry as well, but I'm just copying. So I selected to 30 and 40 currency type and just copy, and I will change these settings to my company code. So now I will just change the company code and I will keep rest settings as it is. That's it. So rest everything is as it is. So just press enter. See, now these settings are copied for my company code and just save it. Just click OK here. Okay, so I have just recorded all this in transport request. So now here we can see these two currencies are copied and saved. Then under ledger, go to the company code settings. For ledger, just double click on it. Then provide your ledger type, that is 0L. Then just OK, and here you will see all company code that are exist. Then select your company code and double click on it. So this is my company code 1007. Just double click on it, or select this company code and details. So system will show you all the currencies that are activated here. So in SAP now you can add 8 more currency in terms of finance, but still in material ledger you can active up to 3 currencies only. So here you can see all the currencies that are so far updated in ledger. So here you see the first one is its base currency, then second one is controlling object currency, and so now I will add here one more currency. Let's say I'm adding here hard currency, that is 30 and 40. So let's say I'm adding first group currency, so select it, then press enter. Yes, so see, it's added and its source type is based on this. Then I'm adding one more currency, that is 40. So here 40, that is my hard currency. Just press enter and say yes. Yes. So now see, hard currency is also added. So now I have this currency, this currency, and this currency. So I've activated 3 currencies. Just save it. Again note that this is all financial setting in real time scenarios, don't do this setting unless and until you discuss with financial consultant. Just say okay and these settings are saved now. So that's it. That are the setting from financial. So that's done now. So just go back and close this tab. So now we have done with financial accounting. Again, I would like to say that don't play with these settings unless and until it's practice server. It's all about financial consultant under this tab. Now we have seen settings about currencies, hard currency and index based currency and group currency. We have seen settings from finance end. Now we will see details in controlling about material ledger. So go into the controlling, then here product costing control, and here you can see actual costing and material ledger. This is the path and you can go by T codes as well. So we will see one by one in this process flow diagram. Then second one is OMS2. It's actually basic in SAP MM. OMS2 where we activate quantity and value update. So I will show you that. I will just run OMS2. Once we create new plant, the setting must be activated. So if you go into OMS2 for which material type, so I am selecting here ROH here. Just select that material type and click quantity and value update, then search for your plant. So my plant is iron 10 here. So these two are activated. In case it's not activated, you should click to activate it and save it. Then one more thing I would like to show you, as I have created new plant, if I try to create new material, system will give me error about this material ledger is not activated. I will select here ROH. Now provide just basic details here. And I will provide a plant. See, as soon as I click this, system asks me your material ledger is not productive yet, and the procedure how to activate it. So it's showing me these are the T codes, and that's the way I have to activate it. So that's why it's important to activate in S4HANA. Now we will go again through the procedure that I have shown. So we have checked OMS2. Then next one is we will define material ledger type in OMX2, but we can go through path as well. So here you see assign currency type and material ledger types. That is nothing but our OMX2. Here you can see this T code OMX2. So basically what we do, we define here different material type and what currencies, different material ledger type and currencies associated with it. If it's already exist combination, let's say company currency, hard currency and group currencies combination, we can use that as well. But in my case, I'm creating new one as I want to show you how to create. So I will give my company number here directly, and what currencies I'm gonna add, that I'm giving here, not 20, it's 30 and 40. Just press enter. Okay, now it's selected. So select this line and double click on define individual characteristic. Then here you can see by default it picked 10. Now I want to add 30 and 40. So I will just add here 30 currency type, that is group currency, and 40, that is hard currency. Here it is. So system now copied it, save it. So my material ledger type is 1007. So we have done setting in OMX2 where we define currency type and material ledger combination. Then next type is OMX3 where we assign that new created material ledger type to the plant or valuation area. So I will show you that through path and T code as well. So now this has done. So I will go back. So the next is assign material ledger type to valuation area. So if you go in this, then here you can see various things here, but I will go to the my valuation area that I have created, that is IN10 and IN20. Here it is. So see, now it has assigned different ledger type. So I will change it to my original one that I have created, 1007, and for new plant as well, both plant as well, 1007, and press enter. That's it. So I have assigned new material ledger type to the my plants or valuation area, and T code is OMX3. So if you run T code OMX3, you will be at this screen. So select your plant and assign your material ledger type. Just save it. That's it. So next, as per our process flow, OMX1, where we activate material ledger for the particular plant. So let's go and see how to do that. So I will go back here, activate material ledger for valuation area. So go into this and activate material ledger. So here it is. Just go to your plant, that is IN10 here. So see, as of now it's not activated. So first click on this activate material ledger and price determination 2 or 3. This single or multi-level or transaction based. So for now I'm keeping it 2, and this one more tick is allow us to update or not update material master using this price determination using T code CKMM. So if it's not, then it will not allow, it will allow you to change, but if it's tick, then it will not allow you to change this price determination. I will show you I will show you soon that in material master. For now, just activate material ledger and provide price determination, and T code is OMX1. Here it is, and save this. But it's giving me warning that after activating material ledger, live data must be converted. So still it's activated, but we need to convert all live data through some T code, so that we will see in our process flow diagram what is our next. Then we check setting if everything is fine in this material ledger. So just go back here, you see check material ledger setting, just double click on it, provide your plant. In my case, my plant is IN10. Just enter, execute. So here you will see all details about this material ledger, everything in detail. So there are so many settings, so you can see it all. If everything is fine in these settings, then just go back. So it's nothing, even though if you won't check these settings, it won't matter, but we should check it, and the T code is CKM9. Then next one is CKM start, where we make it material ledger productive, that we got warning in this OMX1. So we will do it in T code CKM start. So let's see how to do it. So just now close all this, go back, and here run T code CKM start, where we make our material ledger productive. So just provide your plant. As of now I am providing only one plant, IN10, and here you have option like process in background, test run, and everything. So for now I will just keep on test run and I will execute. So see, in test run everything is all right, and it's showing me can be set as a productive for material ledger. So I will go back and I will remove that test run and I will execute. So now material ledger for this plant is activated successfully. So see, okay, now I will go and I will again try to create a material master for that plant where we got initially error. Sometimes we got this, we will not receive that error while creating material master, but we will receive the same error while performing goods receipt. So in my case, I got that while creating material only. So let's see if it's still there. After activating material ledger, now we will see and we will try to create material that initially while creating material system given error like we cannot create material because material ledger was not activated. So let's check. So I'm running T code MM01. Then I will select my raw material as initially we got that error while creating material with ROH. So I have just provided press enter. Now I'm just selecting basic data, purchasing, general plant data and accounting. Okay, so just press enter. Provide the plant for which we have activated material ledger. So in my case, my plant is IN10. Its storage location RMSL. Press enter. So now see system allowing us to create material. So I will give ML test material. Yeah, I'm just providing basic details as we are testing here. In your case, you may provide other details as per your need, or if you are testing, you can just provide basic detail like me. Okay, then so see now we can see as we have activated material ledger. So we see material ledger here is now activated. Also this price determination as of now is editable, but as I told you while creating while activating material ledger there was a price determination tick. So if we tick that, then this will not be editable in that case. So that's the use of, and you can also update that using T code CKMM. So that's the use of this. Now I will provide details, that is my valuation class, and let's say my material price is, let's say, 1000 INR. So see now system will convert this immediately once I press enter. So see now system updated everything immediately in all the currencies that we have activated in material ledger. So it's activated now, and this is how it works. So I will save this material. Also I will show you the data that I have already created for other company code and where I have posted some document in material ledger. So what I will show you now, what happens once you posted document after activating material ledger for particular plant. So what I have did, I have activated material ledger, then I have created one material. I have created PO and I have posted goods against that PO. So we will check what happened in material master data after posting goods for certain material. So I have posted goods after activating material ledger, and I will select only accounting view. And for this plant I have did. So see here system shows you its inventory value as well same time in material ledger. Also one more thing you can check about material ledger in documents that you have posted in MMCO. So I will show you that as well. So once you go in MMCO and you reopen that document that you have posted, in my case I have posted this document. So this is the document that I have posted after activating material ledger. Go into FI documents. Note that here this FI documents under doc info. So select first doc info, then FI documents. Then you will get two options, that is material ledger and accounting documents. So double click on material ledger. Once it opens, it gives you this material detail about this document. So select this line and click on material price analysis. So it will give you all details about that material price and its analysis. So see, and from this you can check these all details in the currency that you have activated. So let's say I'm selecting here hard currency. So see, now it's changing and it's giving me all details about this. Also, you can check same thing using T code CKM3. So I will show that as well, how to check using CKM3 T code, that is the report T code. So I'm just closing this. So run CKM3, it will show you the same screen where you can put that particular material and its details. So see, it's showing me the same. Here you can change your material and check details for this or previous period, and all details are same. Also, you can do standard cost estimation if that material used more times. In my case, I have used only one time, so it will not give me, but you can check through extra standard cost estimation as well. So this is how material ledger work and its use. So let's go into our PPT where I will explain more. So what we have seen so far in this video. So this is all what we did initially. We checked different type of currencies through this T code OY01, where we checked index base and hard currency, and SCC1 we checked group currency, that is at client level. Then we have activated different currencies using this T code FISC underscore ledger, FINSC underscore ledger. But again, I will mention here, do not change these settings in real-time system before consulting with FICO consultant. Always discuss and ask them to do this activity. Don't do in real-time systems. Then what we did, we have checked material value and quantity update activation in OMS2. So we check here if for particular material type the both ticks are activated or not. Then we start with actual material ledger. So first we define material ledger type for which currencies we wanted to activate material ledger, and we create material ledger type. Then we assign those material ledger type to the particular valuation area or plant. Then we actually activate material ledger. Just we activate the tick and we give appropriate price determination 2 or 3. Most of time 3 used if that material has a standard price. In moving average case we always keep it 2. Then we check setting before activating material ledger in CKM9. It's optional, you may check, or if you are sure you can directly run. Then we make material ledger productive through CKM start. And lastly, we checked CKM3 or MMCO, how to check that material ledger and material price analysis through this report. So this is all about material ledger. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your SAP friends and your colleagues if you like this video. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.